These are all examples of flower knots. They showcase the beauty of knots and can be adapted to suit the seasons, making them a unique Japanese knotting technique. Now, let's take a closer look at one of the representative knots within this decorative knotting tradition, the ume knot, plum knot. Now, let's have Mr. Shinozaki demonstrate.
昔はこれでこの梅結びっていうと宮中やなんかになった人がこの胸へつけたものなんですよね。まあ最近ってことないけども、あれには構造ですとか皮膚の飾りに梅結びが、まあ飾りとしては一番梅結びが多く使われていまして。
A string, in essence, is just a single line, skillfully manipulating it to maintain practicality. While enhancing beauty can be deceptively challenging due to its simplicity. Once you learn one knot, you can apply it in various ways. The ume knot, for instance, is used in coat decorations, skin adornments, obi fasteners, and various other applications.